Okay guys, so the first recipe I'm going to be making is a smoothie. Starting off with a banana, pretty simple. Peel it and then put it in your blender. Then I'm going to peel my kiwis. And I really noticed, like, if you just put your knife under a small piece of the skin and just pull, it slides right off when the kiwis are very ripe. So, pro tip. And then I'm just going to chop that up and put it in my blender as well. And this whole recipe can be modified for whatever fruit you have in your kitchen. So I used frozen mango chunks as my ice to keep my beverage cold. Then with whatever milk substitute you like, or milk. So I use soy milk because I don't drink real milk, but you can use almond milk, coconut milk, whatever. Then you want to get that blended. Then after I blend it, I add a little bit of Greek yogurt for some thickness and some extra protein. And then it's all good to go. So it's a very simple recipe, and you can modify it however you want. If you're allergic to anything, take it out. If you want to add something, put it in. So yeah, very simple. So for this recipe, we're starting off with some Greek yogurt or whatever type of yogurt you like, strawberry, blueberry, whatever. So I like to stir it up because if you know Greek yogurt, it separates. So I'm throwing a couple big spoons of yogurt. Then after that, you can take whatever fruit of choice you like. I always use a banana just because I love bananas. Great source of potassium. You can use a banana, pear, apple, literally whatever you have on hand. Strawberry. So I'm just going to cut this up and make it cute. Then I'm going to use some almonds. So this, again, you can use your nut of choice, whatever you like. Usually I do walnuts, but we don't have any walnuts, so almonds will do, pecans, anything. You can use some trail mix, granola. Then adding a little bit of cinnamon, because you know I love my cinnamon. And then I'm going to top this with a little drizzle of honey. And then you're good to go. A very simple, very easy, filling breakfast. So this looks good, and our final recipe is avocado toast. So first I start by cracking my eggs. I like my eggs sunny side up. Then after I cut my avocado, I'm going to scoop it out, and then I'm going to mash it and get it ready for the avocado part of my avocado toast. So I like to season my avocado because plain is not as good to me. So first I start with some minced garlic. I love garlic. My family, we love garlic. We love onions, all that. Then I move on to some crushed red pepper, and then you'll see what other seasonings I add. Black pepper, I think I do Italian seasoning, and some extra garlic powder. Then I'm going to grate my cheese. I love freshly grated cheese. It's just much fresher and just tastes a lot better than the cheese that comes prepackaged. Then I'm going to sprinkle this lovely, lovely cheese onto my eggs. And I like my eggs sunny side up. They're like halfway cooked through. Like, they're not going to be super runny, but they'll have like a little run. Then I'm making my toast, nice and simple. And I like my toast lightly toasted. Like, as you can see, it's not like too brown. And now it's time for assembly. So I start with my toast, then I use my avocado spread. Then, yeah, you can pop your egg on top if you want. You can put some meat up there, but I just leave it like two toasts and then I eat it. Very tasty, guys. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more videos, definitely comment down below what you want to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!